Most AI tools just do a lot of talking, but what if your AI agent could actually close deals for you? We've trained our AI agent and called him Al. Al can answer customer questions, it can follow up with leads, and it can even close the deal. Not because I just put in a ChatGPT prompt and crossed my fingers and hoped it worked. We gave an exact training on exactly how to close deals and what to look out for to make sure that customer is qualified. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that for you and your business. I'm Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. Been doing marketing for 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. You can always learn more here. I'm going to share my screen, show you exactly how you can train your own AL so it closes deals while you sleep. And if you want this full system, comment system down below and you'll be able to access it and start training it right away. All right, so step number one is we need to go and say, what's the final outcome? So what we've done is we've installed Al on our site to say, hey, Al, I want you to ask specific questions about my customer so you collect the proper information so you can actually either follow up or close the deal or get them to schedule a meeting. Now, if I didn't put the work in first, which I'm going to show you next, the answers are going to suck and you're going to make your customers work way too hard to give you their info. So I'm going to show you a few here. So basically, I'm not asking them to type anything. I'm asking them to click. All they have to do is click a prompt. It makes it so much easier for somebody to want to do that. Makes it easier for them. They don't have to think about what they're going to put in. They can just click some prompts, but it's going to give you, the business owner, more information about them right away. What's their main goal? They want to get more leads. They're an entrepreneur. Perfect. What industry are you in? So I'm going to come back and answer this. If you stick with me, you're going to see exactly how this AI Al closes a deal for me. But first, we need to get to the training part. So when you go and think about your business and your brand, a lot of times you just use AI and you ask it a question, it gives you a result and you leave. You need to spend some time coming in to the software and actually training your agent. You need to answer 15, 20 questions so your agent knows exactly who you are, why your customers can trust you, and the best responses and resources to give people. Because if AI doesn't know anything about you, it can't close the deal. So you need to spend some time, train it once. Once you train it, you're good to go. First thing you need to do is put in your business name. Next thing you need to do is tell it what type of industry you're in. From there, you want to tell it, spend some time on this, be very detailed, give it as much information as you can. For me, in sake of this video, I'm just going to make it quick, get to the next part. Now we want to talk about your target audience and pain points, what problems they face, and how do you solve these problems. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to put in some one-word answers and I'm going to get to the next phase. What makes you different? Why is your business different than others out there? And maybe add as many customer success stories as you possibly can. So Al can go and reference those and recommend reviews, case studies, or even learn from that data to tell your potential customer. Then you want to give it all your products and your pricing structure. So that way it knows exactly what to recommend while they're on the chat. From there, you want to talk about your communication style, your brand voice, any FAQs, and common objections and responses. Now, another cool thing that I've set up is I've trained it on my YouTube videos. So what we've done is pulled all my YouTube videos into Al, so it knows everything I've said from my transcriptions. Now it knows all the lessons, all the feedback, and everything that I want my customers to know, my brand voice, what I believe in, what we do in our business. So it's very trained and knows exactly how to respond. From there, you can talk about how you want to talk, FAQs, and common responses. Hit complete, and now Al is completely trained on you and your business. Take it a step further, connect it to your podcast or YouTube channel, and now you have an AI bot that knows exactly how to get more customers, get more meetings booked, and close the deal. All right, so like I promised, I'm going to head back here, and I'm going to show you exactly how Al actually closes the deal. I'm going to tell him I'm a service-based business, and now it's going to say, give me your information. So I made it all about the customer for 3. Now I'm going to say this, here's an example, and they're going to go ahead and give me their contact details. Once they do that, now it's time to really close the deal. It's going to start introducing itself, talking to Brad, myself. It's going to start asking specific questions. So it's going to basically give me everything I need, everything Al needs to make this about the sale instead of trying to answer common questions. So I'm just going to answer a few more, which is pretty cool. Struggling with, let's just say, getting weeds. Yep, let's dig in a little deeper. Where is your business right now? making it all about your customer and exactly what we need to do to close the deal. And boom, now it's going to give it a custom plan specific for their needs and what they want, and it's going to ask them to close the deal. What if this was working for your business? I want you to comment system down below so you can get access to this and start training your AI to close the deals for you. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribed. And if you want to learn more about this AI and marketing, check out this playlist here. But don't be old. It's time to start diving in, getting up with AI because it's taking over and you need to use it for your advantage. You don't want to be stuck in the past. Don't be an old business owner. Let's get updated and let's use automation. Hope to see you on the next video.